Welcome to the review of The Trading Pit, a cutting-edge proprietary trading firm that's taking the industry by storm. If you're a trader looking for career growth, attractive profit sharing, and access to global markets, you're in the right place. The Trading Pit, based in Liechtenstein, has earned a solid 4.1 rating on Trustpilot and offers a wide variety of trading instruments. You can use the code ENDA10 for a 10% discount on your first challenge. Find the link in the description to sign up and take advantage of this offer. Founded in 2021, The Trading Pit is a proprietary trading firm that allows traders to trade various instruments, including forex, indices, metals, commodities, stocks, crypto, equity futures, agricultural futures, energy, and interest rate futures. The firm offers an opportunity to scale up to $5 million in trading accounts with an industry-leading profit split of up to 80%. The firm is unique in offering both CFDs and real futures trading, making it attractive to traders of all types. The Trading Pit offers a broad range of assets across multiple markets. You can trade forex, metals, energies, indices, shares, ETFs, and crypto under the CFD umbrella. For futures traders, the available instruments include equity futures, foreign exchange futures, agricultural futures, energy futures, interest rate futures, metals futures, cryptocurrency futures, and bonds futures. Key features of the Trading Pit. The Trading Pit's step-by-step challenges are designed to help traders demonstrate their skills and unlock access to funded accounts. You can choose account sizes starting as low as €10,000, with opportunities to scale up to $5 million through the firm's scaling plan. Account challenges range from €100 for smaller accounts to up to €1,000 for larger ones. Best of all, your challenge fee is refunded once you pass the evaluation and begin trading. Attractive profit sharing. Traders keep up to 80% of their profits, an industry-leading rate. The firm covers any losses, giving you the confidence to trade without the fear of blowing up your account. With frequent payout options every 14 days, managing your financial goals is straightforward. Forex accounts start at a 50 to 60% profit split and increase to 80% as you scale up. Similarly, futures accounts offer profit splits starting at 60%, with the potential to reach 80%. Risk management and transparent rules. Transparency and discipline are key at the Trading Pit. The firm enforces strict drawdown limits and risk management strategies, helping you stay consistent and protect your capital. Daily and maximum drawdown rules vary based on the challenge, but the transparency ensures that you always know where you stand. The Trading Pit is also an educational powerhouse, offering a range of resources like webinars, ebooks, and podcasts to help you sharpen your skills. You also get access to free real-time data and a rhythmic license key for futures trading. You can choose from a range of powerful trading platforms, including MetaTrader for Forex and ATAS, Quantower, and Rhythmic for futures. Advanced traders can also use Sierra Charts, Jigsaw, or Volfix if they already have licenses. One of the most appealing aspects of the Trading Pit is its challenge-based approach. Whether you're interested in CFDs, futures, or both, there are different challenges to suit your strategy. The classic CFD challenge lets you apply for an account with a starting balance from €10,000 up to $100,000. You need to trade for at least 5 days, and the challenge has no time limit, so you can take as long as you need. The maximum trailing drawdown is 7% based on the highest equity, and the daily drawdown limit is 4% based on equity. To pass, you must reach a 10% profit target. The Prime CFD Challenge also lets you apply for an account with a balance from €10,000 to $100,000. Similar to the classic, you must trade for a minimum of 5 days, and there's no time limit to complete the challenge. The maximum drawdown is 7%, and the daily drawdown limit is 4%, both based on your balance. The profit target remains 10%. If you pass, you'll receive funding with an 80% profit split. The Prime CFD Challenge has a two-phase version for traders who prefer more structure. You can apply for an account with a balance from €10,000 to $100,000. The rules are similar: 5 days minimum trading, no time limit. The profit target for the first phase is 8%, and the second phase's target is 5%. Once you pass both phases, you get funded with an 80% profit split. Futures Challenge, classic one-phase evaluation with a 30-day challenge duration, but extensions are available. Futures Challenge, prime one-phase evaluation. You need to trade for at least 3 days. The trading pit's excellence hasn't gone unnoticed. It's won several awards, including Most Transparent Prop Trading Firm Global 2023 and Best Futures Prop Firm 2022. Whether you're a beginner looking to develop your skills or an experienced trader aiming to scale your career, the Trading Pit offers a clear, structured path for growth. With industry-leading profit sharing, transparent rules, and a commitment to education, it's a fantastic option for traders serious about long-term success. Don't forget to use code ENDA10 for a 10% discount and find the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching the Trading Pit review video. See you next time.